Welcome back, learners. Today, we're delving deep into the chemistry section of the HESI A2 exam. Chemistry is the language of matter, and understanding it is key to unlocking a world of scientific knowledge. Join us as we explore each section of the chemistry portion, break down complex concepts, and provide practical examples to solidify your understanding. Let's jump right in. 1. Atomic structure. First up, let's talk about atomic structure. Atoms are the building blocks of matter, composed of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Picture a tiny solar system, with the nucleus as the sun and electrons orbiting around like planets. Isotopes, which are atoms of the same element with different numbers of neutrons, add an interesting twist to this atomic dance. Example, take hydrogen, for instance. While most hydrogen atoms have just one proton in the nucleus, there's a heavier version called deuterium with an extra neutron, making it an isotope of hydrogen. 2. Chemical bonding. Now, let's explore chemical bonding. This is where atoms join forces to form molecules. We have ionic bonds, where electrons are transferred, covalent bonds, where electrons are shared, and metallic bonds, where electrons roam freely. These bonds give rise to the incredible diversity of substances we see in the world around us. Example, think about sodium chloride, better known as table salt. It's held together by ionic bonds, with sodium donating an electron to chlorine, creating a stable compound. In the image below, you can see a covalent bonding. Now, the next image you can see is of ionic bonding. 3. Chemical reactions. Next, let's dive into chemical reactions. This is where the magic happens. Chemical reactions involve the rearrangement of atoms to form new substances. Whether it's synthesis, decomposition, combustion, or other types of reactions, each has its own unique characteristics and outcomes. Example, consider the combustion of methane, the main component of natural gas. When methane reacts with oxygen, it produces carbon dioxide and water, releasing heat energy in the process. 4. Solutions and concentrations. Moving on to solutions and concentrations. Solutions are homogeneous mixtures composed of a solute dissolved in a solvent. Concentration measures the amount of solute in a given amount of solvent. From molarity to molality, understanding concentration units is crucial in chemistry. Example, think about a cup of sweet tea. The sugar, solute, dissolves in the water, solvent, to form a sweet solution. The concentration of sugar determines how sweet the tea tastes. 5. Acids and bases. Last but not least, let's explore acids and bases. These are two sides of the same chemical coin, with acids donating protons and bases accepting them. Understanding the pH scale and acid-base theories is essential for predicting how substances will behave in different environments. Check the image below. Example, consider vinegar, which contains acetic acid. It tastes sour and reacts with bases like baking soda to produce carbon dioxide gas, giving rise to the fizz in baking soda and vinegar volcanoes. And there you have it, a comprehensive overview of the chemistry section of the HESI A2 exam. From atomic structure to chemical reactions, each concept plays a vital role in understanding the world of matter. Now a few tips for excelling in the chemistry section of the HESI A2 exam. 1. Reviewing key concepts and theories. Candidates should start by revisiting fundamental concepts and theories related to chemistry, such as atomic structure, chemical bonding, and chemical reactions. Understanding these foundational principles lays a solid groundwork for tackling more complex topics encountered in healthcare-related chemistry. Consider using textbooks, lecture notes, and reputable online resources to brush up on these key concepts, ensuring a thorough understanding before moving on to more advanced material. 2. Practicing sample questions and quizzes. Practice makes perfect. Candidates should actively engage in solving sample questions and quizzes to reinforce their understanding and sharpen their problem-solving skills. Look for practice materials specifically tailored for the HESI A2 exam, as they often mirror the format and difficulty level of the actual test questions. Focus on areas of weakness identified during practice sessions, dedicating extra time and effort to mastering those concepts. 3. Utilizing study guides, textbooks, and online resources. Take advantage of study guides, textbooks, and online resources designed specifically for the HESI A2 exam. These materials often provide targeted content review, practice questions, and helpful tips for success. Choose resources that align with your learning style and preferences, whether it's comprehensive study guides, interactive online courses, or video tutorials. Make use of reputable websites, online forums, and social media groups where students share study tips, resources, and insights into preparing for the chemistry section of the HESI A2 exam. 4. Seeking clarification and additional support. Don't hesitate to seek clarification on challenging topics by engaging in peer discussions, forming study groups, or seeking help from instructors or tutors. Consider joining online study communities or forums where students can ask questions, share insights, and support each other throughout the preparation process. If additional support is needed, explore options such as tutoring services, review courses, or academic support centers offered by schools or educational institutions. To excel in the chemistry section of the HESI A2 exam, it's essential to adopt a strategic approach and utilize a variety of study materials and support systems. By employing these methods, you can boost your confidence and readiness for success. We hope this video has helped demystify complex chemistry topics and prepare you for success on your exam. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep studying and never stop learning. For more in-depth explanations, practice questions, and study tips, make sure to explore Educatio Publishing's collection of study guides on Amazon. Whether you're preparing for the HESI A2 exam or other nursing exams, our resources are meticulously crafted to support your learning journey and help you achieve your goals. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more educational content like this. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, comment below with your thoughts, and share it with anyone else preparing for the HESI A2 exam. Until next time, happy studying!